What if your best asset is in your mind? Your knowledge can become an income-producing asset. Many believe earning money requires products or investments. However, knowledge can generate revenue when it addresses real needs. Knowledge alone doesn't pay off. It needs to be transformed into something valuable. Let's explore 10 ways to monetize what you know. First, we have consulting. Consulting turns your expertise into a valuable service. For example, a marketing consultant can help businesses attract more customers. Identify a problem, offer a solution, and implement it. Beginners should start small, seek feedback, and improve over time. Remember, clients pay for clarity and effectiveness. Next, online courses. Transform your knowledge into structured learning experiences. Picture a course on coding or photography. A successful course answers, what can students do after completion? Focus on one specific problem to solve. Then we have digital guides and ebooks. Create practical resources like checklists or templates. Even with information online, people pay for organized access that saves time and effort. Your guide should be clear and genuinely helpful. Now, consider paid workshops. Workshops offer interactive experiences centered around specific outcomes. Think of sessions like Learn Excel Basics. These can be virtual or in person. Participants actively learn and apply knowledge. Membership communities follow. Build a space where like-minded individuals connect and learn. Members value accountability and networking. Successful communities provide ongoing value, not just access to chat groups. Moving on to coaching. Coaching offers personalized guidance to tackle individual challenges. Whether it's career or productivity coaching, focus on what the client needs in their unique situation. Ethical coaching is essential. Stick to your expertise. Next up, templates and tools. Turn repeatable processes into practical products. Examples include budget spreadsheets or client onboarding systems. If you've solved similar problems often, document and simplify your process to sell. Then, speaking and training. Experienced professionals can earn by sharing knowledge verbally. Topics like entrepreneurship or communication are in demand. Start small through content sharing and grow your network. Licensing your knowledge is a more advanced step. Allow businesses to use your systems or methodologies. Create valuable intellectual property, negotiate terms, and leverage your expertise on a larger scale. Finally, content creation. Free content builds trust and acts as a gateway to paid offerings. Consider blogs or educational videos. Provide valuable information to nurture an audience and eventually offer products or services. The big lesson is clear. True value combines knowledge, a problem, an audience, effective packaging, and trust. You don't need to know everything. Just enough to genuinely help a specific group. Ask yourself, who can your knowledge help? Identify a related problem, find your audience, and think of one useful product. Your first attempt doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to help. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Finance Flow for more insights on money and business. Remember, knowledge becomes powerful when it creates real value. What if your expertise could lead others toward solutions they desperately seek? Each interaction with clients and students is an opportunity to refine your approach. Start by identifying your unique contribution and how it meets specific needs in the market. When you focus on genuine connection and results, transforming knowledge into tangible income follows naturally. Embrace the journey of learning more about your audience. Their feedback will guide your next steps. Always remember, the path to monetizing knowledge doesn't travel alone. It thrives on community, collaboration, and real-world application. The journey of monetizing your expertise begins with understanding its true potential. Picture yourself sitting across a table from a client, actively listening to their challenges while identifying how your knowledge can alleviate their concerns. As you engage in this dialogue, you realize the profound impact your insights can have, leading to positive change and growth, both for them and your own business. By refining your offering through each interaction, you continually enhance your ability to deliver value, paving the way for long-term success. Explore diverse avenues for sharing your expertise, allowing your passion to drive you forward as a trusted resource in your field. As you consider these options, imagine the process of creating an online course that breaks down complex ideas into easily digestible modules. Visualize the enthusiastic feedback from students who appreciate your clear explanations and structured approach. With each lesson, you foster a deeper understanding of the subject matter and inspire confidence in their learning journey. Your energy and dedication will set the tone for their experience, making it memorable and impactful. Delivering knowledge in this format not only establishes your credibility but also opens doors to additional revenue streams through follow-up offerings. Before diving into the specifics of monetizing your expertise, consider the foundational question: what problem are you uniquely equipped to solve? Your first step is to pinpoint a specific pain point within your niche and think about how your knowledge can effectively address it. This focused approach will allow you to tailor your offerings precisely, ensuring they resonate with your target audience. Once you've identified the problem, brainstorm potential solutions or products that can deliver genuine results. As you refine these ideas, keep the needs and interests of your audience at the forefront. Creating a meaningful connection between your knowledge and their struggles will amplify both your impact and your income potential. Your expertise is not just a product, it's a transformative tool that can empower others when applied thoughtfully. Whether it's through a consultation, an online course, or engaging workshops, every effort you make should be grounded in authenticity and a commitment to helping others achieve their goals. With dedication and clarity, your journey to monetizing your knowledge will evolve into a powerful force for change. Consulting is just one avenue among many. Each path offers compelling possibilities for growth. Visualize yourself crafting an engaging digital guide that serves as a one-stop resource packed with actionable insights. You spend time structuring your content, ensuring every page is designed to provide clarity and practical value, helping readers navigate their challenges with confidence. As you finalize the guide, you discover the true joy lies not just in creating it, but in envisioning the lives it might improve. This commitment to creating content that resonates will set a lasting impression, leading to loyal customers eager for more of your expertise. As you explore membership communities, picture the vibrant discussions taking place among like-minded individuals, each driven by the desire to learn and grow together. By cultivating a supportive environment, you not only enable members to hold each other accountable but also provide ongoing resources that keep their enthusiasm alive. This sense of belonging enhances engagement and ensures that your community thrives for years to come, ultimately benefiting all participants while solidifying your role as a reliable leader. Imagine hosting a dynamic workshop where participants eagerly engage in hands-on activities. You lead them through real-world scenarios, encouraging collaboration and problem-solving, making learning an enjoyable experience. The energy in the room is palpable, as attendees exchange ideas and insights, visibly transforming their understanding and capabilities. Your role as the facilitator not only imparts knowledge but also fosters a sense of community, empowering them to apply what they've learned beyond the session. Knowledge, when shared effectively, cultivates growth and fosters collaboration among individuals. As you continue on this journey, remember that every step taken and every piece of wisdom shared builds a foundation for future success. Ultimately, by investing in others, you create a ripple effect, empowering those around you to realize their potential too.